Welcome to my channel. I'm your host GL, and today's video is packed with easy exercises about hardening mechanisms in metals. What is the primary mechanism for strengthening metals by impeding dislocation movement? A. Melting. B. Annealing. C. Grain boundary strengthening. D. Oxidation. E. Corrosion. The correct answer is C. Grain boundary strengthening. Which of the following is not a common hardening mechanism in metals? A. Work hardening. B. Solid solution strengthening. C. Precipitation hardening. D. Grain boundary strengthening. E. Magnetic hardening. The correct answer is E. Magnetic hardening. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps support the channel, and it only takes a second. What is the process of increasing the strength of a metal by plastic deformation called? A. Annealing. B. Work hardening. C. Tempering. Quenching. E. Normalizing. The correct answer is B. Work hardening. If you're looking for more exercises to test your knowledge, there's also a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.